Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sulali, and I'm the first presenter of Team Move It, Move It. Before I start presentation, I have something to tell you about my hobbies. Me and my teammate both like to ride a bicycle. In my case, I ride it almost every week. My teammate, she once ride a bike from Seoul to Daejeon, almost 350 kilometers. One day I was riding a bicycle at nearby park. Suddenly I became curious. How much carbon I saved by riding a bike? I found a web page and made by Ministry of Environment, which calculates carbon footprints, but it was too inconvenient. So I came up with an idea, EcoMove, the user-friendly eco-mobility tracking system and participatory campaign. What is eco-mobility? To some people, it's a slower, more inconvenient and troublesome way of moving. However, the truth is actually it doesn't have to be. Let's think about each way. When you go somewhere, you can just walk, or you can get a bus, or you can ride a bicycle, or you can get a subway. Our team will be change the stereotype of eco-mobility to something fun and something easy and something beneficial. Now, before introducing our project EcoMove, I would like to elaborate on the backgrounds that why eco-mobility is needed right now and here in Korea. Go. First, changing into eco-mobility life pattern is crucial in reducing CO2, the main cause of climate change. Data from US EPA, more than 23% of CO2 global emissions are generated by transportation. And in Korea, 77% of CO2 are emitted in the road. Therefore, transforming public mobility pattern in eco-friendly way will bring the significant reducing in CO2. Second, former and current campaigns are uncomfortable to access information, and mandatory campaigns not fun. And their campaign is temporary campaign. The web page that I mentioned in the beginning, 73% of people don't know about the information. In the era of information flood, something fun and something creative and something innovative is required to change people's behavior. Now, my teammate will introduce our team's idea, EcoMove.
Hello, I'm Ko Eun-jung, the second presenter of Team Move It, Move It. I will explain about our project, EcoMove. EcoMove is an application project which tracking people's eco-mobility patterns every day. And also we include the campaign aspects. I will introduce our campaign in 3 steps. First, information. Second, incentive. And third, inspiration. Moving on to the first part. First part is information, collaboration with Neighbor Map app. Everybody knows Neighbor Map app, which is the #1 map application in Korea. Currently, Neighbor Map app is only providing information of duration, distance, and how much it costs. However, with the collaboration with EcoMove project, Neighbor app will additionally provide another information, carbon footprints. So for example, if you are moving from Gwacheom to Yangjae Siminyesu and you don't know how to go there, you will search in the neighbor map app and you will find carbon footprints, how much you can save by taking a public transportation rather than a car, along with the information of duration, distance, and fee. So comparing other three choices you can have. For example, you can take the public transportation and you will save 1,251 gram carbon saved. And if you take the bicycle, you will save 1,470 grams of carbon. And if you take the car, because it's the basic point, you cannot save any carbons. So you can compare those choices with the neighbor map app. Second is incentive system, collaboration with Seoul City's eco-mileage system. Currently, Seoul City eco-mileage system is providing mileage to people who reduce the consumption of electricity, gas, and water, which city can easily track down the consumptions of people. Right now, there is no public transportation section in the eco-mileage system. However, with the collaboration with EcoMove project, Seoul City eco-mileage system can be extended to the transportation sector. Since EcoMove application will provide the information to Seoul City about how much carbon people save by using more eco-friendly transportation. So in our app, the users can see how much points they have by using more eco-mobility. And also, we are providing barcode system so people can easily use at the shop their mileage. So explaining it in more details how it works. Our eco-mileage system collaborate with EcoMove is running on a 3-month basis. So comparing to the first quarter of the year, in the second quarter, you save 800 grams of more carbon, then you will get 800 points. So this is the incentive. This was the incentives for people, why they have to use more eco-mobility. Our third part is about inspiration. After people get to know why the information about how can they save more carbons, and after they get the incentives to do that. And the third step is inspiration. Our inspiration is starting with the small functions in our app. First one is weekly ranking. As a lot of smartphone games are popular among people with their ranking system, our EcoMove application also decided to adopt those ranking system. So people can compare with a friend each other about that who are more eco-friendly person. And also we have invitation function that people can invite their friends or family into this application. So our campaign can attract more people by users' participation. The last function is sharing through SNS. Since in this era, there are a lot of people using SNS. So we are putting a small function of sharing button through SNS channels like Facebook and Twitter, so that our campaign can spread to more publics. So far, I explained about the 3 steps of our EcoMove project. First, giving information to people with the collaboration with Neighbor app. And second, give incentives to people with the collaboration with Seoul eco-mileage system. Lastly, inspiring people through connecting people and sharing their ideas with each other. Our EcoMove project is a new paradigm of campaign. We are approaching to people in their daily lives. Thank you.